Let's take a look at cut recovery on the MachMotion 2000 series jet control. We're going to restart our cut halfway through this circle. To start the cut recovery process, simply jog the jet to the approximate location you'd like to resume cutting. We can zoom in on the toolpath to ensure we are getting a precise start. Now we press the cut recovery button and will automatically move onto the toolpath. We then press cycle start to confirm and we're done.